Tom is a 12-year-old boy who lives on the streets of New York. He has no family and no home. Every morning, he wakes up under a bridge. He washes his face in a small fountain and looks at the busy city around him. People walk fast, but no one notices him. Every day, Tom searches for food. Sometimes he finds small pieces of bread or leftover food. Sometimes he drinks water from public places. Many days, he goes to sleep hungry. He sleeps in empty boxes or under the bridge. Life is very hard for him, but he never stops trying. One day, Tom finds a small stray dog near the street. The dog looks weak and hungry, just like him. Tom decides to help the dog. He gives the dog some food and calls him Buddy. From that day, Buddy becomes Tom's best friend. They stay together, share food, and give each other comfort. For the first time, Tom feels that he is not alone. One afternoon, a kind woman named Mrs. Johnson sees Tom and Buddy sitting near a park. She feels sorry for them. She brings food and talks to Tom. She is a kind and caring person. She decides to help Tom every day. Soon, she starts bringing food regularly and talking to him about life. She also begins to teach him how to read and write. Tom listens carefully and tries his best. Mrs. Johnson tells Tom that he can have a better life if he studies hard. Tom starts to believe in himself. With her help, he goes to a nearby school. It is not easy for him at first, but he works very hard. He learns English, math, and science. He enjoys learning new things. For the first time in his life, Tom feels hope. To support himself, Tom starts selling newspapers on the street. Every day, he wakes up early and works hard. He saves a small amount of money each week. With his savings, he buys food and small things for Buddy. He also buys simple clothes for himself. Slowly, his life begins to change. He feels proud because he is earning honestly. Tom also notices other children living on the streets. They are like him, hungry and alone. Tom shares his food with them. He talks to them and teaches them what he learns from Mrs. Johnson. He wants them to have hope too. Tom believes that helping others makes life more meaningful. Years pass by, and Tom continues to study hard. Finally, he finishes school with good results. He gets a small job at a library. It is a peaceful place where he works with books. With his earnings, he rents a small apartment. It is not big, but it is his own home. For the first time, he has a safe place to live. Buddy stays with him, and they continue their life together. Tom often thinks about his past. He remembers the cold nights, the hunger, and the loneliness. But he also remembers the kindness of Mrs. Johnson and the love of his friend Buddy. He says, "Life is hard, but never give up. A small hope can change everything." In the end, Tom smiles as he looks at his life. He is no longer just a street boy. He has a home, a job, and dreams for the future. His life is not perfect, but he has won his life through hard work, kindness, and hope.